Hey guys, it's Cal coming at you with kind of an unusual shave review. I don't usually review products that aren't currently or haven't been available previously, but today is an exception. Recently, a buddy of mine, Juliano Pierdona out of Canada, sent me a bunch of samples. This is a new startup. It is not currently available, but he sent me some samples to try. So if this will focus, this particular one, the one I'm going to be using today, is from oak and leather. I'll get into the details in a second. Also sent me juniper and fir, burnt maple and amorous, fig tree, which smells absolutely wonderful, lemon tree, and this unusual one, Barrett pepper, ink, and birch. I didn't know what ink smelled like. Well, I mean, not from fountain pens and that stuff, but not something I would have thought to put as a scent note, but it's actually really nice. So anyway, again, today we're going with the rum, oak, and leather. Send me the write-up on it. Scent notes on this of top notes of bergamot, grapefruit, and rum. Middle notes of oak wood, clove, ladanum, and patchouli. Base notes of tobacco, amber, leather, and moss. Lots of good ingredients in here. Of course, stearic acid, beef tallow, kokum butter, glycerin, duck fat. We have mango seed butter, shea butter, lanolin, goat milk. So full details here. Again, unfortunately not currently available. It's a new startup. I'm hoping he will start offering these up. But going to go to a different camera angle, build up our lather, Thirsty Badger lather bowl, and we are going with PAA Moon Striker 24 millimeter, my newest brush, and I absolutely love this. Now, unfortunately, Juliano doesn't offer a matching splash, so I'm going to go with one I've had for quite a while but have never used. This is the Shaving Ray Rum from Phoenix Shaving. Great scent. Had this set for quite a while. Was a very limited release, I think a couple years ago, last year, but wonderful. And as you can tell, it's been a minute or two since I've had a shave, going with one of my favorite shavettes. Now that I've said that, hopefully it's not going to bite me too badly. The A77 style Gucci, loaded with a brand new X Rhinoceros A77 blade. So let's go downstairs, multi-speed, build up the lather, see what it looks like, get a shave on. Not going to do a pre-shave, let's just find out how well this works. So let's go downstairs. So, great lather built up. Love that scent. Quite clovey forward, which is really nice. So, anyway, let's give this a run for its money. I'm gonna wet the face and see if we can mow through this. So, we got her cleaned out. And given how much growth there was to go through, yeah, it nicked me there. Bad technique. And it got me just a little tiny one back here. Bad technique. But I love that razor. I will post the link. That one I got on AliExpress. I'll post that down below. So let's take our alum block. Happens to be a PAA alum block. See what you get for burn and irritation. Now, given how much growth there was to go through, you would expect some burn, no matter how good the soap is. But, and this is the truth, the slickness and protection, there's almost no burn whatsoever. Super, super impressed. Great cushioning, great slickness, great scent. I hope he will come out with the matching aftershaves. So, and yes, I did take the styptic just to that spot there. If you have not used styptics before, they sting like hell. But a lot of times with a larger bleeder, you're going to use a styptic. A little tiny nicks or weepers, your alum will help seal it up. So, going with our PAA, the Shaving Ray Rum. Again, never been used. It's still got the Doug plug in there. So, take this out with patience. That's really nice. That's almost nutty, if that makes any sense. I don't remember what the scent notes are on that, but that's almost really nutty. It's nice. So, anyway, guys, yeah, I'll let you know when I hear more from Juliano about what he's going to do. But again, this was from Juliano Pierdona, rum, oak, and leather. Yeah, just completely wonderful. It's a startup. I will give you more details as I know more. But slickness, scent, absolutely amazing. Tallow-based. If you're vegan, obviously you're not going to go for a tallow-based, but I'll use either one. We mowed through at least a couple of weeks' growth. This is what a couple of weeks looks like for me with my Gucci A77 style shavette, using a brand new X Rhinoceros blade. Again, these are a fair bit bigger than your regular shavette. But once you get used to them, and I learned the technique of going crosshand from watching a video from Matt Pisarcik over at Razor Emporium, check it out. Awesome stuff. So, and of course, Thirsty Badger Leather Bowl, PAA 24mm Moonstriker, newest brush in my collection. Love that knot. So, anyway, guys, hope you found this interesting and useful, and I will let you know when I find out more. So, you guys take care of yourselves. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.